Vidsville Garage, Vidsville Garage, Vidsville Garage, Vidsville Garage 4. I really like Vidsville Garage. It's really cool. They do all kinds of custom work, and it's fun, and it's cool. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, it's me, Timmy, and today I'm driving my ice cream truck. I really like my ice cream truck, but you know what? I sure wish it could go a little faster. Wouldn't that be cool if my ice cream truck went faster? Well, you know what? I think maybe I'll take it to the Vidsville garage and get it customized. Wouldn't that be cool? A customized ice cream truck with a bigger engine and big wheels and make it real fast. That would be so cool. Ice cream truck, customized ice cream truck, real fast. Yeah, I like fast ice cream trucks. I think it would be fun and cool and fast. Okay, let's do it. Ice cream truck, ice cream truck, ice cream truck, ice cream truck. Whoa, cool. That's the truck's body. The truck body. Man, it looks neat. It's got a little bit more ice cream cones on it, and it just looks different. They must have put a new paint job on it, but it looks good. Now, let's go ahead and spell body. Okay, here we go. Body. B-O-D-Y. And that spells body. Man, that is so cool. I really like that. Cool. They put red shocks on my ice cream truck. That is so cool. I love red. And those shocks are cool. Well, why don't we go ahead and spell shocks too? Okay, here we go. Shocks. S-H-O-C-K-S. And that spells shocks. Man, those shocks are neat. It kind of sounds like socks. And I have red socks too, but these are shocks. Shocks, not socks. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but anyway, shocks. Whoa, look at the chrome exhaust pipe. Man, that is so cool. I bet you it'll make it go faster with that chrome exhaust pipe, and I bet you it sounds like this. Well, anyway, why don't we spell exhaust also? Okay, here we go. Exhaust. E-X-H-A-U-S-T. Exhaust. Kind of looks like ex-host, but it's not. It's exhaust. You don't pronounce it that way. You just pronounce it exhaust. It's not ex-host because it's just not done that way. Okay. Man, that is so cool. It's an engine that looks and matches the exhaust pipe. It's chrome, too. Wow, that is so cool. It looks big, too. I bet you it's powerful. I can't wait to drive this new ice cream truck with that big, powerful engine. Well, why don't we go ahead and spell engine, too? Okay, let's do it. All right. Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. That's cool. Engine, number one. In the ice cream truck. Well, that's not the nursery rhyme. But anyway, okay, we'll go to the next part on my ice cream truck. Yeah! Oh, wow. Those are really cool. I bet you guys know what these are. I bet you know exactly what they are. You're right. They're wheels. And they even match the motor and the exhaust pipe. That is so cool. Wheels. Well, while we're talking about wheels, why don't we go ahead and spell wheels? Okay, here we go. Wheels. W-H-E-E-L-S. Wheels. Man, those wheels are cool. I bet you they can really have a lot of traction and won't go skii. And I bet you they go fast too. Those wheels are cool. Yeah. I can't wait to drive this ice cream truck. I'm getting so excited. Look at that. They put a huge ice cream cone on top of my truck. That is so cool. And it's green. That's Cluck's favorite color, green. Well, why don't we spell ice cream since they put the ice cream cone on top of the truck? Yeah, let's do it. Okay, ice cream. I-C-E, ice, cream. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, I like to have some ice cream. You scream, we all like ice cream. I sang the ice cream song, and it's a huge ice cream cone on top of my truck, and I just had to sing the song, and I just love singing songs, and okay, well, that's it. I think my truck is done. Man, that is such a cool ice cream truck. And ice cream is cool, too, because it's frozen. I make funnies all the time. I'm just so funny sometimes. I just laugh. Okay, let's let him drive it out, and I'll get in it and drive away and go real fast in my custom ice cream truck. Yeah! I can't wait. This is going to be so cool. Whoa, this is so cool. Man, my ice cream truck goes fast now. It's got big tires on it, and it's got a big old engine in it. And it's got a big old muffler down there. Man, I really like going fast. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye! Ice cream truck, ice cream truck, ice cream truck, ice cream truck.
And whatnot.